What's up, everybody? How you guys doing today? So we're back again with this guy right here.
What's up?
And so today, same thing as always. He picked a photo. He's starting first. Let's just get right into it.
All right, let's see, what do we got here? What are we doing here?
If you
What?
want some good presets, scroll down to the bottom, and then all those are like my new presets I made.
I like that one. We're going purple. Cool.
And for your information, these presets will be coming out very soon, as soon as I figure out how to sell presets. But yes, they'll be coming eventually, I promise.
One way or another. One way or another.
One. Ooh, that way. Whoa. What do you do?
I'm not quite sure. I'm kind of winging it at the moment. I don't know if I like it though.
Did you like copy that tree over or something?
Let's use that little bit.
Oh, so you copied it. Okay.
And then
Having fun.
I'm trying to figure this out. Give me a minute. They cooperating the way I want it to.
Whoa. That's how big your circle is in your drawing. Just start sliding things, see where they go.
What does this do? What does that do? Oh, I don't want that. That's way too big.
That's too small. If you use the bracket keys, you will go and shrink it. Or you can scroll. Just stick it in the sky.
Oh, wrong one. But we're getting there. This is my finest work.
I'm pretty sure it'd be easier just to do Photoshop.
But we're not on Photoshop, so I'm winging it.
I slept in till like 11 today. It was so nice.
Oh yeah?
Then again, I was also up till 2 o'clock in the morning yesterday.
That's alright.
Well, I got home at like 11:40, and then I was just on my phone till 2, and like, oopsies.
Wow. Smooth.
Didn't do it on purpose.
And you wonder why you're tired.
It just kind of happened. I'm not the one that woke up from mom calling me.
Well, I was up late.
Wow, smooth. That works. Very well, actually. Dang, you take forever. It's already been 8 minutes.
This is going to be the highlight of my video.
Your video. Your video. Hold on a minute.
Wait just a minute.
Cheater. One of these days, I'll have to do it at your place.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Change of scenery. Or maybe we'll get somebody, maybe one of these days, I'll get like Dad to come down and do it instead of you.
Say, how to figure it out.
Edit this photo. Good luck.
And go.
Just,
Good, keep it up.
keep going.
You're doing good.
And I won't tell him how to do anything. So I'll figure it out as he goes.
You're like,
I'll be like, haha, sucker.
boom. Oh! Okay, that's
You're
probably, okay, that's probably not the best, but you know, that's a lot closer than I was expecting. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse.
Like, that's actually pretty decent.
Like, I'm actually kind of satisfied with that. It actually looks good.
Whoa, screen.
Too much. Back it off.
Bring it on, back. hue and saturation. -0.
Negative. Ah!
Select the photos.
I didn't do it.
There
I
you
didn't
go.
do it. I didn't do it. I don't know what I did, but I didn't do it.
You broke it.
I done broke it.
So if you break one more computer, I'll beat you with a wet noodle.
Oh, that's depressing.
You see, when I get nice and big and I have like my own merch, that's gonna be one of the t-shirts. It'll have like this noodle hanging on it, and I'll be like, I'll beat you with a wet noodle.
Don't make me beat you.
And everybody would be clueless.
They're like, what?
Except for like my true fans, you know? My real people. And they'll be like, I understand that perfectly. And everybody else will be like, I don't get it. What? A wet noodle? What? How does that work?
That doesn't make any sense.
If it doesn't make sense, then you're stupid. And we'll beat you with a wet noodle.
Alright, boom. Good enough.
Done?
Done.
11 minutes in.
Look, if I hadn't have done like my custom handiwork there, it probably would have done like 2 minutes. But you know.
11 minutes. We were getting so good. We were down for like 4 minutes.
I
and
know.
now we're going back up. This is mess.
I don't know what you're doing.
Okay.
There we go. Splash of blue.
No, that's baby blue.
Splash of baby blue.
Blue light. City lights. Double blue. Ooh. Dusty. Is that one you used? The rustic?
No.
Or natural?
I think I used the natural one.
All natural. Black and white. Okay, I'm probably gonna make a new preset while I do this.
Oh, bother. You can call that splash of wood.
No, silly.
Hint of field.
Hint of nature.
Touch a cloud.
We take the white balance and go boop.
How's that?
Boop.
Right.
And then we go like that. Little bit of nope.
Hint of purple.
Exposure. Contrast.
That's dope.
30. Not too dark. We'll adjust that. Shadows and bring it up just a hair. White. Whoa. Just a little bit.
Whoa.
Black. Yeah. No.
Oh, that does look cool on the wood though. Everything else not so much, but the wood is cool.
We'll do that. We'll take just this little bit right here.
What you should do is get like all the clouds like double the clouds.
I was actually thinking about doing that.
More clouds. I was watching a video last night on Photoshop. I'm like, oh, I want to learn how to do Photoshop. Oh my gosh, I need to practice more on it.
I know how to do it.
Do you though?
Yes, I do.
Do ya?
Yes, this is not Photoshop.
Is it though? I'm not so sure about that.
I go to college, okay?
Do you though?
It's a high school course out of college, okay?
High school. Whatever, potato, potato.
Exactly. Now we got like a misty mountain in the background. Ta-da!
Very unique. That'll stand out. When I look at this photo, I'm like, I see that little speck.
I see him, Mufasa. Clarity all the way. None of it. All the way. A little bit.
Oh, a little bit. Not a little bit.
Haze. Vibrate.
Ooh, that's awful.
What do you mean?
Back that off.
There we go.
That's off. That's a disgrace to the photo industry. You have cappuccino before.
Oh! Instead of alcohol, we're taking shots of coffee or something.
Sugar high. Caffeine shots.
I feel good. Whoa.
That's oddly satisfying and comfortable.
Okay, I can live with that.
Can you though?
I guess.
Can you really?
Yes. You know what? I'm gonna make more clouds.
The nice puffy ones.
I'm gonna take... No, I'm using the wrong tool. We stick it right there.
Perfect. Custom.
Perfect. Can't even tell I did anything. I love it.
Photoshop in the making.
Professional. Oh, we can go black and white.
I can see it now.
Oh boy. I'm not very proud of this, but I don't know what else to do.
I know, right? We're not in Photoshop. We gotta do a how-to in Photoshop.
As soon as we learn how to. Yes, we will do a how-to Photoshop as soon as we learn how to use Photoshop. Stay tuned for that.
We better practice.
We better figure out what Photoshop is.
Wait, I don't think I know what this is. This isn't Photoshop?
I thought it was.
Oh, shoot.
No, this is After Effects.
Oh, okay.
That makes sense. Okay.
That makes all more sense.
We got it. Okay, I'm gonna have to say I'm done.
Okay, dude, the pipe's still in the way.
I gotta get rid of the pipe. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below, comment, share, all that fun stuff. What?
Nothing.
Okay. And make sure to share it with, like, brothers, sisters, grandma, grandpa. If you got a sister, I mean,
Everybody.
he's ready. Anyway, comment, subscribe.
What's that supposed to mean?
Don't worry about it. Forget I said that.
Oh, okay.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
See ya. Ciao.
You-
I get into this.